Introducing our CGX, an upgraded version of our classic base model CG, now featuring enhanced automation. This model is ideal for those seeking greater independence in their machining processes and workpiece setup. The machine features a monolithic steel base, filled with composite material, to ensure optimal performance by minimizing structural deformations and maximizing vibration damping. Its axial configuration is designed for precision. The grinding head moves along the X and Z axes using recirculating ball systems, driven by a ball screw and motor for accurate positioning. The workpiece is securely clamped between the headstock and tailstock. The tailstock moves manually along the table via linear guides with recirculating rollers. This specific machine configuration significantly reduces its overall footprint compared to traditional mobile table solutions. For precision, the machine includes a fixed-point diamond dressing station, conveniently located behind the headstock. The tailstock itself is equipped with a linear guideway system and features taper adjustment. To facilitate crankshaft balancing, the tailstock guards have strategically placed openings for easy access to counterweight adjustments and readings. 3 jaw chucks ensure the highest machining precision, offering quick centering and ease of operation. These chucks allow for radial, cross, and micrometric angular adjustments, along with 360 degrees rotation with indexing at 30 degrees and 90 degrees for rapid crankpin positioning. The machine is powered by a CNC control system with the following key capabilities: plunge grinding, with integrated face machining; traverse grinding, dressing program, for face, radius, chamfer, and taper, workpiece taper correction within the traverse cycle; integrated remote assistance module,